Are you dreaming of starting your own car dealership in California? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to guide you through the essential steps to obtain your car dealer license in California for 2025. Let's dive in. Step 1. First things first, you need to determine which type of dealer license suits your business model. California offers several options: new motor vehicle dealer, used motor vehicle dealer, motorcycle dealer, and wholesale only dealer. Each has its own set of requirements, so choose wisely based on your goals. Step 2. Before applying, make sure you meet these prerequisites. Be at least 18 years old. Hold a valid California driver license. Secure a permanent business location that complies with zoning laws. Obtaining a sales tax permit from the California Department of Tax and Fee Administration. Step 3. Next, enroll a DMV accredited dealer certification course. This course will cover vital topics such as dealer regulations and sales techniques. Completing this education is crucial for understanding the industry and demonstrating your commitment to compliance. Step 4. You'll need to secure a 50,000 surety bond, which protects consumers and ensure compliance with the state regulations. This bond is requirement for a dealer license in California. Step 5. Now it's time to fill out and submit your application to the California DMV. You'll need to include proof of your completed education, your surety bond, fingerprinting, and background check clearance. Application fees totaling around USD 175 plus additional fees for only or any branch location or dealer plates. Step 6. After submitting your application, an inspector will visit your business location to ensure it meets DMV standards. Make sure everything is in order from your office setup to compliance with signage regulations. In conclusion, obtaining a car dealer license in California involves understanding the types of license available, meeting specific prerequisites, completing educational courses, securing a surety bond, and navigating through the application process. It may seem daunting at first, but with these actionable steps, you're well on your way to launching your dealership. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Happy dealership hunting.